Welcome to this guided meditation for relieving low back pain. For this meditation, it's most important that you feel comfortable and that your back is able to relax. I recommend lying down on your back on the ground or a flat surface. You can bend your knees, planting your feet on the floor, and rest your knees together, or place a few pillows under your knees so they're bent and your low back is flat on the ground. Take a moment to adjust and make yourself comfortable so your back feels supported. Feel free to use a pillow under your head, cover yourself with a blanket, or anything else that will help you feel comfortable at this moment. Rest your arms at your sides or your hands on your belly. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Take a deep breath here, in through the nose, expanding your belly and chest. Out through the mouth, relaxing your whole body deeper. Inhale through the nose, expand your chest, fill your lungs. Exhale through the mouth with a sigh, and let the earth hold your body, giving way to gravity. And one more deep breath in through the nose, fill your lungs, expand your belly and chest. Exhale out of your mouth with a heavy sigh, letting go completely. You can let your breath return to a normal pace and rhythm, breathing in and out through the nose if that's comfortable. Really focus on the support of the earth beneath you now. Feel that solid, stable support holding your body so that you can completely relax. Sometimes we experience lower back pain because our body feels strained and overwhelmed. Sometimes when we take on too much in life, carrying the weight of the world on our shoulders, we experience pain in our backs. So for now, set down all of your worries and concerns. Let the stress roll off of your shoulders, and let the earth hold you now. Let yourself feel supported, carried, and held. Scan your body from head to toe, noticing if you're holding tension anywhere, especially your forehead, eyes, jaw, throat, shoulders, abdomen, or hips. One by one, give yourself permission to relax and release, letting any tension melt away. You can even imagine that the earth is absorbing all the stress, negativity, and worries in your body. Allow any pain to melt out of your back as the earth absorbs it easily and readily. You might even like to envision that the earth's energy is green and healing, and any pain, negativity, or stress in your body is red. Notice the throbbing, red, painful energy in your body, in your low back, even in your negative thoughts and worries. Then tune in to the healing, soothing, green energy of the earth. Breath by breath, as you relax more and more, feel and envision the red energy in your body and mind sinking with gravity down toward the earth, seeping out of your cells and being absorbed into the healing green energy of the earth below. This doesn't require effort or force. This process is happening naturally and easily the more you relax. So just let go and allow. See the red light fading out of your cells, dissipating and dissolving. Envision the earth transmuting this red energy into the most beautiful, vibrant, green healing light. Again, this happens easily and naturally. And when your body feels crystal clear inside, imagine soaking up beautiful green healing vibrations from the earth, letting your cells soak up that good energy, bringing you a sense of peace and clarity. All the cells, muscles, bones, tendons, ligaments in your back are now absorbing green healing light, soothing this area, providing comfort and ease. And all you have to do is receive. Take a deep breath, enjoying this moment, noticing how you feel after practicing this exercise. You can return to this meditation as often as you'd like to relieve low back pain. When you're ready, bring your awareness back to the room you're in and slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed this meditation. Also, if you're currently dealing with chronic pain Whether it be in your hands, feet, or knees, you should definitely check out One Compress bamboo products. They are the world's most comfortable pain relief out there, specifically designed to help you feel better when you sleep. Check them out at onecompress.com. That's ONECOMPRESS.com.